Everyone always says, how big is Chris? Because when he sat next to you, he looks like he's a toddler. There we go, a bit of perspective there, you see. So he's taller than you think. So we have a bit of an announcement. I'm here with Chris.
Can we have a drum roll, please, John?
Some
fireworks.
It's exciting. Look,
Bit of music,
I'll put some in
bit of razzmatazz.
Chris is going on a bit of a trip and we need your help. Chris, what are you doing?
Well, I have taken the decision to move out of my flat, put everything into storage and set off on my motorcycle, and I'm going to head somewhere and basically explore the UK. Look, let's make a bit of an appeal here. I'm on a bit of a budget, and what I'd like to do, and it's an exchange, isn't it, more than a begging scenario. I need the help of the viewers, and I think I can offer something in return. Basically, if I can get some accommodation, I need a bed for the night, and in exchange you can have the pleasure of my company and
or not, if you don't want that.
I can talk to you about my 50 years in biking, 30 odd of which now have been in bike journalism. I've done a bit and I've got a few stories. At the moment, as I say, there's no rigid plan, and that's the beauty of it, really. I'm just going to set forth, dodge the potholes, no doubt see some pretty dodgy driving, meet some great and probably less than great people. It's going to be an adventure.
So what we're going to ask you is, I'm going to be doing a series on YouTube. So once you've done a certain amount, you're going to post back SD cards to me. I'm going to edit it, and we're going to have a little bit of a tour series with Chris. So you will get to be on the videos as well. So not only meet Chris, you may end up on camera as well. You
can make some suggestions. Well, I'd like that. I'd like to meet the viewers, you know. Yeah, people can make suggestions about roads and routes, or, you know, CAFs, places to stay other than those that might be offered by viewers. You know, I'm open to suggestions. The story will be told and guided by the viewers a great deal.
So that's what we need, your local knowledge of the area, and a bed for the night. And a few beers, you know.
That wouldn't hurt. That would never hurt. I mean, I'll tell you another thing. I'm going to take a tent, so if you've got a decent garden, you know, I'll be happy with that.
So if there's not enough beds, we might be going down to camping.
I can see me in a shop doorway at this rate.
If you've had a new big telly, don't throw the box away. Might fit in it.
Yes. I should take a tape measure to measure the deepest pothole. Mind you, I might look up to the surface of the road. It's worrying, actually, isn't it? It's not funny. You make the wrong move at the wrong time, and
Tell
it
me
gets
about it. I know all about it, mate.
In fact, there'll be no exchange rates to consider. There'll be no worrying border crossings, and no language barrier. Some people...
Wow, I don't know, mate.
Some people can't understand me. I don't know why. Like, I've got no idea why they can't understand me. They're like, what are you talking about, man? I don't want to use motorways. I don't want to use rubbish roads. And if you can steer me towards some of the better ones, then, you know, all the better for it. Let's make this journey as good as it can be.
So this is going to be an adventure based on your recommendations, your hospitality as well, and we'll see where we can get Chris to.
So if it's crap, you're all to blame. I obviously want to go to Scotland. I'll go to Wales, might pop over to Ireland. I might get on a boat to do that. What I'd like to do is go on an adventure, but take you with me, you know. And if you can direct me a little bit along the way, then all the better, you know.
It's all down to the viewers, isn't it? So
it is. Really, the pressure's on you.
The pressure's on you.
Responsibility.
This could all just go pear-shaped and nothing come of it, but it's something you want to try, isn't it?
It is,
because you're getting on a little bit now.
I mean, as I say it, I'm going, my God, what am I doing? I'm quite daunted by the whole thing, despite the fact I sort of know how to ride a bike and point it in a general direction. I've never done anything quite like this before, you know. I'm aiming to get everything ratcheted down on my NT and set off in the first sort of week of April.
So what we need from you is, in the comments of this video, obviously say if you've got a bed or somewhere for Chris to stay, but also you've got an email address.
Yes.
chris.moss@hotmail.co.uk.
That is it.
So if you've got a bed,
tall, busty blondes will be given preference. Quite happy to talk to any riding groups as well. You know, I've done quite a lot of that. As I say, I've got quite a few tales over the years. You know, ridden quite a few different bikes, including Rossi's RCV, obviously. Met a few famous faces. had quite a few crashes. You know, there's plenty of stories.
Sounds like quite the adventure, mate. Maybe I'll join you for a certain leg of it.
Oh, no, you didn't say anything about that.
So what we're going to do, leg one of the trip, we're going to do it together, sort of locally round here, and then see Chris off on his first stopover, whoever that may be. It could be you. It could be you, as they say in the lottery. Let us know if you think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
If no one wants to do it,
exactly,
then
yeah.
it's dead in the water, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're really appealing to you guys to try and help us out and get Chris around the UK. What sort of time frame is this going to take?
I would love to think this will take me 5 years.
Really?
Listen, that might be fantasy. All I'm saying is, look, lots of people are exploring for that length of
So
time.
you're going to be you're thinking of being on the road for really quite a
substantial
amount of time.
I don't want to base myself anywhere permanently for quite a while.
Wow, quite the adventure then.
Yeah.
Quite the adventure.
Look, as you've said, I'm getting on in years. This is sort of, it's not a last gasp opportunity, but I'm realising that this ability to move about and ride well isn't forever, is it?
No.
You know, life's not forever, but the healthy section of your life and the most sort of, your most able and agile section is shorter still. So
Yeah.
I'm just trying to take advantage of it.
Yeah.
And I've just wanted to do it for ages.
It's got to be good, isn't it? You've got to get involved. Let us know in the comments, in the email. Let's send Chris off on his adventure. Thanks, guys. We'll speak to you soon.